Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, how are you? Fine. Today we will do about the activity book, science activity book page 37, and this is your online recording. Activity book page 37. Okay, today we will do it. Activity 4C. Where can mosquitoes survive? Where you can find the mosquitoes and where they can breed it. About this one we will do the lesson. So you know that mosquitoes are the insects that can be spread dangerous diseases such as malaria, Zika, and dengue fever. So mosquitoes prefer to live in the warm, humid habitats, but they can also survive in other habitats. They can be found in the pond, rivers, trash, plant pot, where you store the water. It is also found there. And sometimes there is a dirty water outside and it's also found there. Sometimes they live on the plants also, the trees also where there is a dust and dirt. Okay, we will complete these the blanks. Use the internet or books to find the answer to complete the statement. The first one, mosquitoes can be found everywhere on the earth except extremely cold places. What are the extremely cold places? There are two extremely cold places. On the polar region, we have the extremely cold places we have on the, as you know, there they are on the poles. The one is Arctic Ocean, Arctic, and the second is Antarctica. So here the word will come Antarctica. Okay, Antar, sorry, uh, Antarctica. Okay, it is very cold place. It is on the poles. So mosquitoes lay their eggs in around the water. What will the word will come? Water. Okay. The next one is the larva and the pupa. So what is the larva? Larva, when the mosquito they lay the eggs, the first insect that come inside it is called larva, and it is you can see like creeping animal it is, and when it becomes for becoming the mosquito, these are one of the stages of the mosquitoes, how they become the take the birth of this one or they breed it. So larva and pupa. So second is pupa. Of mosquitoes live in water where the little are no flow. So mosquitoes can breed in dash such as water storage tanks, plastic buckets, vessels, and flower pot saucers. What will come here? This word is container. The word is container. Containers. Containers. Okay, now the second question is this one. Use the internet or books to find out how the breeding of the mosquito is prevented in your local area. There's two ways. How can you prevent it? Number one, we can write, we know that we should not store the water. We should not store the water for a long period. For a long period. If you have stored it, then you should cover it. Then you should cover it. Okay. Number two, put the garbage in the dustbin. Don't throw here and there. Put the garbage in the dustbin. There are so many. You should clean the environment. You should also do the spray of the insect killers. Also, this in this way you can also stop them. Good. Done. Now we will go to the page 38. If you go page 38. Okay. This is the word Whizz. Help cows cross the river. Use the clue to color the correct stone. Hawk seals and snowy owls are suited to live in the habitat with low temperature. Good. Temperature. Good. Aquatic animals are suited to their habitat as they can breathe, yes, underwater. Yes, in aquatic they can breathe under water. Okay, some animals can their change their dash over time to blend into different environment. Color, yes, color, good. Color. Plants and animals can change their structure over dash to suit the habitat because they take the time. Yes, they take the time to suit the habitat because they have to take a long time to, maybe sometimes they take a long time to adjust in the other environment, environment, and sometimes they very sharply they are adjusted there. So plants and animals can and can change their behavior to help them to survive. Yes, survive in a different environment. So some animals move to a different dash when their habitat changes. Yeah, they go to the other places, different places, but the word is environment. ENVIRONMENT, environment when their habitat changes. Okay, so you can use these words are given below, and we have done according to this one. This the word bank was given: underwater, environment, food, time, survive, color, temperatures. Okay, we have used this. Now we will move to the page 39, and this word bank is given to us. And we will use this word bank 39. Okay, the words are given to you: aquatic, change, cold, dry, environment, habitat, mountains, move, oceans, rainforest, rivers, suited, wide. Okay, now use your brain. It is a brainstorming. A dash is a place where plants and animals live. So yes, you're right. The habitat. Habitat. HABI. The habitat is a place where plants and animals live. So plants can live in dash than the habitat environments. Environments other than the habitat. So some animals can move. Some animals can move to different environments in the habitat change. So when a habitat is a place, where the plants live. The animals are suited, yes, suited to live in the environment. Okay, some types of animal can change. Some types of animal can change their behavior or structure over time to suit a different environment. Now, next one, these are the land habitats. We will do this one. There are two habitats. One is the land habitats and the other is aquatic habitats. What the word is? Aquatic. Yes, you know that aquatic means water. Aquatic habitats. Now, on the land habitats, these are the words these we write, and the animals these are suited here. Polar regions are very cold. Yes, good, cold and covered with snow. So what are the animals are found here? Polar bears, snowy owls, plants, and grass. Okay. Dash are the rocky areas that are cold. Mountains. Mountains are the rocky areas that are cold. So which are animals? Mountain goats, grizzly bear, plants, and pine tree. Okay, number 3. The deserts are very hot and yes, hot and humid. Yes, good. It is. They are very hot and dry, not humid, dry. With little rainfall, the animals are camel, desert rats, and from the plants there is the cactus. The animals are these two and plant cactus. So dash are very hot and very humid and with many trees. Yes, rainforests, rainforests are very hot and very humid with many trees. What are the animals are found there? Orangutans, toucans, and plants are vines. And the last one of the land habitat is grassland. So grasslands are wide, open areas where mostly grass grows. What are the animals are there? Zebras, ostrich, and plants is the grass. So we come to the aquatic. So dash and sea have the water that contains lot of salt. Yes, oceans. So oceans and seas have the water that contain a lot of salt, animals, shark, sea turtle, and sea grass. So ponds, lakes, and rivers. Rivers have water that contain very little salt. What are the animals here? Animals are crayfish, alligator, plants, and water lily. Okay, good. That's all for today. We will do today, and you will complete your work, write in your activity books, okay, and complete it, and you will check it tomorrow, inshallah. Okay. Today we have done about page 37, 38, and 39 of activity book. Thank you all. Okay, bye. Inshallah, we will see you later.